Here is a simple artificial neural network. Two nodes on the input layer, two nodes on the hidden layer, and one node on the output layer. Each node is connected to the node next to it. In this series, we will learn to manually calculate the output value of this system. Let's just say the weights on the connection lines are -3.8, 8.2, -2.4, -3.6, 0.8, and -1.35. And the bias values are -1.5, 2.6, and 3.2. The activation function of the nodes in the hidden layer and the output layer is sigmoid. Now, the signals enter the system, the values are 0.4 and 0.3. It seems we already know all the required values. To make identification easier, let's call the nodes on the input layer node 1 and node 2. The nodes on the hidden layer are node 3 and node 4. The node on the output layer is node 5. Well, node 3 receives signals from node 1 and node 2. The signals receive weights and biases with certain values. The input signal processed by node 3 is x3 is equal to 0.4 times -3.8 plus 0.3 times -2.4 plus -1.5. Using a calculator, x3 is equal to -3.74. This value is then processed by node 3 via the sigmoid function. If you remember, the sigmoid function is 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x. X here is the value to be processed. Enter the value x3. y3 is equal to 0.02320. Now, we will calculate the input value for node 4. Node 4 receives signals from node 1 and node 2. The signals receive weights and biases with certain values. The input signal processed by node 3 is x4 equals 0.4 times 8.2 plus 0.3 times -3.6 plus 2.6. Using a calculator, x4 is equal to 4.8. This value will be processed in node 4 via the sigmoid function. y4 is equal to 1 over 1 plus e to the power minus x4. Enter the value x4. y4 is equal to 0.99184. We have got the values y3 and y4. These two values will be the input values at node 5. Through the same process, x5 is equal to 0.0232 times 0.8 plus 0.99184 times minus 1.35 plus 3.2. Using a calculator, x5 is equal to 1.87958. This value will be processed at node 5 via the sigmoid function. y5 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power minus x5. Enter the value x5. y5 is equal to 0.86756. This is the value generated by the artificial neural network. In general, A node value of more than 0.5 causes the node to become active. Using these criteria, here is an animation of this system. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to watch the next video.